इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए रियल इंसिडेंट बहुत काम आता है। जैसे ये एयरपोर्ट का इंसिडेंट। एयरपोर्ट फ्लोर पे कई सारे लोग सो रहे थे और बच्चे रो रहे थे और भीड़ था कि खत्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा था। एक नहीं, दो नहीं, 1000 से ज्यादा फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई थी। नॉर्मली रेलवे स्टेशन पे इस तरह का सिचुएशन हम देखते हैं, लेकिन एयरपोर्ट पे बहुत कम ऐसा हुआ होगा। क्या था ये इंसिडेंट और ये कैसे हुआ, आइए समझते हैं सिंपल इंग्लिश में। आप भी इसी तरीके से किसी भी इंसिडेंट को आप चाहे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। आप कैसे भी कर सकते हैं। आप चाहे तो मोबाइल में आप लिखना शुरू कर सकते हैं। आजकल डिजिटल का ज़माना है। अगर आप चाहे तो पेन और पेपर से भी लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब आप लिखना शुरू करेंगे तो नए नए वर्ड्स के बारे में आप सोचने लगेंगे। आपको डिफरेंट इमोशंस नज़र आएंगे उसमें। कभी गुस्सा नज़र आएगा, कभी कंफ्यूजन नज़र आएगा, अलग अलग तरह के सिचुएशन नज़र आएंगे आपको। तो आप या तो आप लिखिए, अगर आपको लिखने का मन नहीं है तो आप डायरेक्ट स्पोकन आप किसी से बात करिए, आप आईने के सामने में बोलिए, या अपनी वीडियो जैसे मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं आप भी रिकॉर्ड करके खुद देखिए कि आपकी इंग्लिश देखिए कैसे बेहतर होती जाएगी। तो क्या था ये इंसिडेंट, आइए समझते हैं सिंपल इंग्लिश में। इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ दिसंबर, IndiGo canceled more than 1000 flights across India. Many airports including Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad were filled with confused and angry travelers. People were standing in long queues, rushing between help counters, looking for luggage or trying to rebook their tickets. Some sat on the floor with their bags, some kept refreshing their mobile phone screens, and many just waited, tired and helpless. The reason behind this chaos was the new flight duty time limitation, that is FDTL rule. This rule was made to reduce the number of hours a pilot can work, especially at night, so that pilots are not overtired and safety is maintained. But when these rules were implemented, airlines struggled to manage schedules. IndiGo could not arrange enough pilots for flights, and that triggered a massive chain reactions of cancellations. The government, seeing the situation worsen, decided to put the rule on hold temporarily. They hoped that this pause would bring operations back to normal and reduce passengers' suffering. But the twist came when the Pilots Association stated that this crisis might have been engineered or created on purpose to pressure the government into changing the rules. They demanded that safety regulation must not be compromised and requested strict action. Meanwhile, passengers were affected the most. Many missed important events, weddings, interviews, business meetings, medical appointments. Plane ticket on the airline became extremely expensive. Some passengers paid over 30,000 to 90,000 for last minute seats. A few couples even attended wedding functions online because they couldn't reach on time. This incident shows how one rule, one change, one decision can impact lakhs of people. It also teaches us something important. In travel, uncertainty is always possible. So we must be prepared, stay calm, and look for solutions instead of panic. What happened at IndiGo was more than news. It was a real life experience for thousands of families. A day of confusion, anger, frustration, and lesson for the future. So this was the story of the IndiGo flight chaos. When flights were cancelled, thousands of people suffered. But this incident also gave us a chance to learn new English words, new sentences, and a new way of telling a real story in a simple language. Remember, when we speak about real events, our English becomes more natural, more confident, and more powerful. So now it's your turn. In the comments, tell me, if you were at the airport that day, what would you feel? What would you do? Try to answer in English. Even if it is not perfect, speak with confidence. That is how improvement starts. If you like this lesson and want more real incident stories for English speaking practice, like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Noble English Classes. Your one click motivates me to bring more helpful and simple English content for you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. All the best.